Well, good evening, aviation lovers. Hello, everyone. How are you all, guys? My name is AASHISH Kumar Sahu, and I'm Airlines Employee. Guys, I welcome you all in my YouTube channel, Aviation Live. So, guys, if you're new in the channel, please do press the bell notification icon and also press the subscribe button because I used to keep you updated regarding the latest airlines vacancies. So, guys, this airlines vacancy is for the Fly Dubai Airlines, and today the vacancy is for the cabin crew, female and guess here and male. So guys, this is the airlines which hire both male and female. So guys, this vacancy is for you. So guys, this is a very detailed video, and in this video I'll be telling you each and everything from how to apply, how to get the job, how to clear the interview, what will be the salary package. Now coming to next thing is how to get selection. Next thing is what are the minimum eligibility criteria and what is the height requirement, what is the weight requirement, each and everything. So guys, this is a very detailed video analysis of this vacancy, Fly Dubai. So guys, before starting the video, I want to share something is that I used to provide online coaching to crack airlines interview, and till now from our coaching 106 selections we have, and those people are working in the airlines industry. Now guys, second thing is that we used to also make resume with 100% guarantee shortlist, but we used to make resume for only those who join our professional online coaching. Now guys, next thing, we are the India's first online coaching by an ex-airlines employee, and this is our Aviation Life page. Guys, do follow our Instagram page where we used to keep you updated regarding the latest job vacancies and the latest new crash course. So guys, admissions has already started for 1 February crash course. Here I will be going to give you teaching. I'll be telling you a secret strategy how to crack the airlines interview, and I will be also telling a lot of various things which will be helpful for you to crack and to get a job in airlines industry. So guys, this vacancy is for the cabin crew male and cabin crew female, those who wanted to work in the airlines industry, right? So here the admissions has started. I used to only teach 30 students and 30 students per batch. It is a 15 days crash course, and in this thing I used to teach only 30 students. So guys, 30 students are be ready, the first 30 students to join the airlines industry. Until now we have 106 selection. Now guys, if you come down and you can see a lot of courses are available. For example, you can also prepare for mock interview. I used to take mock interview of the students, and I used to tell that where you're getting wrong and where you are going wrong and how to correct it. Now guys, coming to next thing, we have also one-on-one. We used to also run 2 hour marathon classes every Sunday webinar. The fees for that is 100 rupees, and we used to tell some elite things, all the tips and tricks to crack airlines interview. Now guys, one more thing is that we have also one-on-one personal coaching. If you want to join one-on-one personal coaching, you can join. And guys, in this thing we used to give guaranteed selection, right? Guaranteed selection, guys. No one in the airlines give guaranteed selection. We used to give guaranteed selection, 100% selection guarantee with one-on-one personal coaching for 10 days. So guys, this was all about the thing. Now guys, coming to next thing, what other things we have here is that a lot of students are there. We can see, you can go down, you can just swipe down, and you can see a lot of students who got selected in our airlines industry, and those students was from our coaching. You can see the testimonials, you can see their messages, right? He is Divakar, he got selected for Indigo Airlines Delhi base. And now coming to next thing is a lot of interview experience video are also there. For example, Adil Kadri got selected for Spicejet Airlines, right? So you can watch his interview experience video, and as you scroll down, you can see a lot of students who got selected, and he's our student Harmeet got selected for the SpiceJet Airlines. And look guys, how he's dancing and he's enjoying the aviation life. Now guys, coming to next thing is that a lot of students are there. You can scroll down, you can visit our page. A lot of students are there. Ashutosh is there, my smaller brother Mosin, Harmeet, Juhi, Samriddhi. Guys, these are the selection number, right? 686. He is Weber More. He got selected for Goa base. 86, 87, 88. So till now we have 106 selection, guys. Now guys, coming to one more thing, do also install our app Aviation Live, which is available in the Play Store. And what you can do is that every day, guys, I used to come live, and do also join our Telegram channel where we used to give the latest job update, and any update, any latest update we used to first share in the Telegram. So guys, do also join our Telegram channel. As you click here, you will be link is in the description, and as you click here, you'll be reaching in the new page Aviation Life Champions Group. Do join it, guys. You'll get the latest update regarding each and everything. Now guys, we'll be dealing you about the latest vacancy which has came, right? So you have to do three things. You have to follow the Aviation Life page, you have to download the Aviation Life app, and what you do is also join the Telegram Aviation Life Telegram channel group. Now guys, the next thing is that what is a new vacancy. It's all about Fly Dubai and what they are hiring, why they are hiring, each and everything. It's a very detailed analysis video. So guys, if you are new, please do subscribe the button. Please do press the bell notification icon also, because every day at night 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. I used to come live in the YouTube and I used to clear the doubts of the students. Okay, so guys, this is the Fly Dubai Airlines. This is the Fly Dubai, how it's look like, right? So I guess this is Airbus A320. He is a pilot of Airbus A320. He is a captain flying the Airbus A320. And guys, she is a crew, right? So this is how the uniform of the Fly Dubai Airlines look like, right? Now, guys, coming to next thing is the vacancy. Is this time the vacancy is for the cabin crew. So this is how the cabin crew look likes of Fly Dubai. So guys, this is the airlines which hire both male and female. So if you are male and female, both this vacancy is for both male and female who wanted to make their dream come true in Fly Dubai Airlines. So guys, most probably if you are working with this airlines, you will be living at Dubai, and every video in this video, every detail is there. Give how much salary you will be getting, are you getting home, each and everything. So guys, without any further delay, let's start the video. So let me check that things are getting recorded or not. Yeah, it's getting recorded, guys. Okay, so this is the new vacancy for cabin crew, and our cabin crew brand ambassador of Fly Dubai and city of Dubai. So most probably your posting will be at, guys, Dubai. This is an international airlines, and you'll be working at Dubai, guys. And so Dubai is a very good place to start up a new career and to make join the airlines industry. Okay, so our passengers safe basically delivering exceptional customer service every time when they fly with us. So guys, this all up. Now guys, coming to next thing is that about what is the role and requirement in this vacancy. So guys, the minimum requirement is that they are requirement age of 21 years. You should be at least age of 21 years. Height they are asking is that the height should be of 5'2", right? 5'2" is the minimum height requirement. So guys, as you can see in Fly Dubai Airlines, the requirement of height is bit less. Every airlines, even the domestic, they have the height requirement more than 5'2", but this is the airlines which has the eligibility criteria of height requirement 5'2". So guys, it's very less for any girl who want to make her dream come true, any boy who want to make their dream come true, but their height is very less. So guys, this vacancy is for you. Now guys, coming to next thing is that they want a person who is physically fit, educated to at least high school level. High school level means at least 12th level. They want education that you should be having at least 12th pass. Now guys, coming to next thing is that they want a person who can fluently speak English as well as write English, right? Because this is a international airlines, and you have and fluency in Arabic or other language would be as an advantage. So guys, if you speak any other language, Arabic language or any other language, so guys, that will be added as an advantage, but it doesn't mean that you will get selection. Even though if you're knowing English, you will get selection, guys, don't worry. Now guys, come to the next thing is that they want a passport, valid passport, right? And they want an excellent team player with ability to communicate with other nationalities, right? So every time in the airlines, they wanted a team player, teamwork, right? Because airlines is all about teamwork. Aviation industry work in a teamwork, guys, right? If there's no teamwork, there's no use of joining airlines industry. Now guys, coming to next thing, they're asking proud to wear the uniform and wear it proud to wear the uniform and wear it well. Right, next rule is that no visible tattoo and body piercing, right? So they don't want any kind of visible tattoo. So for example, you can see the uniform, right? So even though as we can target it, right? Let me show you the uniform of the crew. Okay, let me go to back page, right? As we can see the uniform. Okay, uniform, full uniform, Fly Dubai. Okay, this is how the uniform looks like. So if you're having tattoo in the face, then you are rejected, buddy. ठीक है, कैसे हो गया, पीछे कैसे चले गया ये? ठीक है, if you're having tattoo in the face, you will be rejected. Now if you're having tattoo in the hand here, you will get rejected. ठीक है भाई, things are very much clear, guys. ठीक है, if you're having tattoo in the hand, you will get rejected. ठीक है, if you're tattoo having in this portion, gala, ठीक है, then you will also get rejected. ठीक है, so these are the portion where they don't want any kind of tattoo, any kind of stuff, and any kind of body piercing. If you're having this kind of stuff, guys, you will be simply rejected. So these are the few things. Now coming to next thing is that what are the other requirements of this job. So as we click here, we can see the next requirement of this job is that passionate and friendly and fun, right? They don't want any kind of person who will make their morale down and who is not that much friendly in nature. So they want person who is friendly in nature, either girl or boy, and they want a motivated, reliable and hardworking people, right? Confident in water when wearing the flotation. They don't want a person who is kind of guys who is having fear from water. They want a person who is confident, and additionally, if you needed to climb into a survival raft from the water, additionally you will need to climb, है ना? तो समय आने पे guys, you have to climb the water, you have to save the life. So this is what kind of people which they are looking for, guys, right? Okay, now coming to next thing is that what is the educational qualification, what is the minimum education qualification they require. So guys, they are looking for high school diploma is essential. At least you have to be from high school. They're not asking for graduates that you are graduates, then only you can apply. They're looking for at least for the high school. Now, international aviation experience is an advantage. So guys, if you're having an international aviation experience, for example, I have an aviation experience, right? So if I apply for this thing, I will be getting an advantage. Even though I'm a graduate, I'll be getting an advantage. Even though I'm having, so I am fitting in every criteria. But the main criteria I'm not fitting is that I don't want to become a cabin crew, right? So this is the next thing, is that international aviation experience will be added as an advantage. Now coming to the next thing, the first year, 1 year experience in customer service or sales, right? Sales is clearly mentioned that if you're having advantage of sales, you will be getting an advantage. Now guys, coming to next thing is that what is a training bond for the first year. So guys, in first year you will be get a salary of approx 2,650 US dollars. What does it mean? So guys, in Indian currency it means that rupees of approx 2 lakh rupees, right? So if you are an Indian and if you're working with this thing, you will be getting a salary of approx 2 lakhs rupees, guys, right? 2 lakhs rupees. So guys, I think 2 lakh rupees for fresher, it's more than enough to work with any kind of airlines, right? So this is more than enough, and this is the salary which is which is Qatar provided exact 2 lakh, but in to fly Dubai they're providing 1,98,000 approx. So you can keep it as approx 2 lakh rupees. Now guys, coming to next thing is that what are the other basic and pay benefits which they are giving. So pay benefit they are giving is that basic salary plus housing allowance plus transportation allowance. So I guess it's approx this much amount of fees. So you can calculate it, right? They're also giving house allowance, they're also giving transportation facilities, each and everything will be given by them, right? And average monthly will be approx 3,360 80 based on the average 80 flying. So it will be more than 2 lakh, yeah, hai na? So if you want to be a cabin crew, this is the guys best opportunity for you. All the crew, all the students who are watching this video from the crash course, guys, do apply for this thing. Very good airlines. After a very long time, they have released a vacancy. Now they'll be also giving the medical insurance to you, end of the service, paid leave, 30 paid leaves, annual leave ticket, monthly benefits, and also benefit to provide also benefit to your family members. Now guys, coming to next thing is that Fly Dubai is aimed to provide opportunity to individual growth and self-development and staff enjoying a long time and successful career. This is all about the Fly Dubai. So now guys, coming to next thing is that how to apply for this job and in which pattern the interview will be conducted. So guys, the first thing is that there will be an online application. You have to fill the online application. So guys, as you fill the online application, there will be an online assessment test. Right, this is the first process of online application. Second thing is online assessment test. Third thing is that guys about the video interview, right? The third thing is that video interview. Okay, so this is the first stage, second stage, and third stage. Okay, then what about next? After video interview, what is the next phase? The next application is that the application will be in the review after making a video. For example, if you suppose you make a video, your application will be in review, and after that thing, the assessment day will be there where you will be called, and this get to know you better. This will be assessment day, and the state will check minimum requirements such as tattoo, height. Physically it will be checked. Then we move to a short presentation followed by the individual test group role play exercise. So if you progress through, you will be guys going to get selected in this interview. So guys, this was all about the whole thing, and this is all about from the so guys, in this video we have discussed each and everything. First we have discussed about the airlines. Second, we have discussed about the role and requirement. Third, we have discussed about the education and experience. Fourth, we have discussed about training bond, salary, pay benefits, and other rewards. Next, we have also discussed about the interview process. Now, guys, we'll be discussing about how to crack the airlines interview. So, guys, I have cracked 6 rounds of interview and 1 cabin crew interview of Go Air. So, I have a full-fledged knowledge and full-fledged guidance how to crack any airlines interview. Even though I have a lot of secret tricks to crack and secret strategy, I know that what airlines is looking for in you, right? You people, what mistakes you used to do is that you used to say the things what you are, but in order to say that thing what you are, say the thing what guys they are looking for, right? So I used to in 15 days crash course. So guys, do join my crash course. Only limited seats are left, and we used to provide professional and online coaching. So guys, we have a lot of selections here. You can see, or a lot of girls got selected. Even though a lot of girls are working in Qatar Airways, right, as a customer service agent. So it's an international brand, and a lot of students are working in Indian Airlines, right? So we provide professional coaching, and guys, if you want to grasp the opportunity, and if you want to become a cabin crew, and if you want to become a ground staff, guys, this platform is for you. And where you used to give coaching, where you used to give guidance, guys, I have given guidance coaching to a lot of students, and you can see this is a time when I met my colleagues, old colleagues who are working. This is a guys having Pepsi with my old student, right? So you can see this thing, a lot of things are there, and a lot of things are there. Even though this is the time when I was working in the airlines industry, right? When I was working in the airlines industry, a lot of things are, you can watch, go through the Telegram page, go to the Instagram page, and guys, do join the crash course because very limited seats are left. So if you want to join, guys, send a WhatsApp message in my number, that is 7999 is my WhatsApp number. Do send a WhatsApp message, and guys, I will be briefing you about how to join the crash course, and every detail you will get. So guys, this was all about the video about joining the crash course. Do install my Aviation Life app. Also join my Instagram group. And guys, this is the best opportunity to become a cabin crew and fly Dubai Airlines. So guys, this was all about the video. If you love this video, please do press the subscribe button. Also press the bell notification icon. And guys, every day I used to come live. So guys, do join the crash course fast. Airlines, we Aviation Life are there to help you. We Airlines, we Aviation Life are there to give you professional guidance. And we Aviation Life are here to give you the guidance what they are looking for and to help you to make your dream come true. So guys, this was all about the video. Tab tak ke liye guys, bye bye, take care, namaskar and jai hind to all. Bye bye everyone guys. Let's meet at the next video. Bye bye everyone. Do enjoy the day guys. Bye bye to all.